Hey guys, this is Lego Beast 111, and I am struggling to get my phone, set. It's, not staying. Sorry if it takes a while. Um, yeah, it was working before, then all of a sudden it just stopped. And, okay, anyway, this is my Lego puzzle box. This time it's not a marble maze, it's actually a puzzle box. And, excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold, so, and it's weird because it's summertime. Anyway, I have a cold, and I sound different. So, where'd that stick go? Crap. Uh, Sorry. Oh, there it is. Okay. This is what I use to solve this. We'll get it started. Anyway, it's just a stick like this. It's clear. It's awesome. Yeah, let's get going. Okay, so there are 3 holes. They all do something. They all, do something to, set something free or get something out. So let's go with this hole. Gonna stick it in, and oh look, would you look at that? On the outside, it opened a door. Let's just see what's inside this door. Let's go ahead and take our little rod out, and can you see it? Anyway, there's something in here. Let's go ahead and shake that out. Up. I got this. Yeah. You might be wondering, what is that? Well, you will know in a second. Wait, I should have examined it first, but anyway. Okay, there's 3 holes. There's a little opening cave thing. There's a hole right here. Looks like a little rod thing, but you can't get it out. There's a hole right here. There's some sort of door, and then 2 more holes. And yeah. Oops. Those were not supposed to come out. Should probably secure that. Oop. Oh crap. Get out of there. Yeah. Yeah, this, by the way, is what the other 2 holes get out. So, yeah, since I already know, let's just go ahead and do it. Go through this hole, and push this one out, and then other hole, push the other one out. Okay, so our items now are some weird stick thing and 2 1x4 bricks. So, obviously, there's nothing you can do here. You feel something up here. You hear it moving, but you can't get it out. And you can't do anything with this hole. Let's go over here. And, oh look, this hole looks just like it could fit these. So let's go ahead. Stick them in. That's what she said. And let's just push it in all the way there till it stops. They stopped, and I can't... Look at that. Oh, what do you know? What's this? I can't turn it. What if you stick this in it? Oh, yeah. That makes everything better. Because now I can turn it. Let's go ahead and turn this. And, crap. Oh, well, turn it. Turn it. Yeah. Why is this not working? Break in half. Okay, this is my little dissection thingy. Okay, let's see what's wrong with this. Okay, it's supposed to push this. There we go. And it's out. Let's take it out. What's this? It's some sort of a rod. Let's put this back on. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in as well, if I can. Yeah, screw it. Anyway, look. This hole looks just so familiar to this. I wonder if I can just stick it in there. And, well, what is this? Hey, look, it's a box. A box. Wait. That sounds good. Let's see if we can take this off. And what do you know? We can take it off. Treasure! Yeah, treasure. Woo! Yeah. Okay. Yay, treasure. Okay, yeah, that's all. That's it for this little puzzle box thing. This is just awesome. It's strange, really, because at first, this is the bottom of my marble maze, and I definitely came up with this little puzzle box because I just decided to stick this into what was remaining of it. Decided to stick this little thing in here, and it got stuck on things. I was like, hey, this could be a little puzzle box. I can make little traps. But it turns out, no, these are traps. They all do something. But yeah, that's it. So, I should probably tell you how it works. I think it's pretty obvious, but... Oh, let's put this back in. Putting the back in part. And put it back in. That comes out. Oh. And let's put that back in here. If I can. There. That's back in there. And these are out. We can go ahead and put these in here. And open the door. Take that off. Put it back in the hole. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I lost it. But I found it. Oh, there we go. Close the door. And we should be done. Oh, crap. That doesn't look good. There we go. What the... Gosh. What the heck? Why is it coming out? I should probably secure those. Okay. Gosh. Keep breaking the roof. Keep pushing down on this. Anyway. So yeah, that's practically how it works. This is supposed to be in that gray piece. It's supposed to be in this. Yeah. Anyway, it's supposed to be like right here. It's stuck in there. You stick your finger in it, you can feel it, but you can't move it because there's like this in the way. Okay, let's take this apart. Get that out of the way. Man, I feel terrible. Okay. Stick in the hole. Yummy. Oh, first, let's go ahead and check this out. So, yeah, it's stuck right here. The two Lego pieces right here, here and here. They stick into here, push that out. Well, it just goes out to here. Then you pull it out further so it can go into there. You twist this. It pushes that out. And phew, win. Okay. Now we can see what's up here. So you get that, you push it in here. It shoves that out. So it's like this. It should look like this. Take that out. This is just a moving block. Yeah. Yay. Win. And this just goes over here. It makes this top part smaller.